Most people ignore golden dollar coins. They sit in drawers, piggy banks, and sometimes get mixed with regular change. But what if one of those coins connects you directly to the first president of the United States? And what if another represents one of the most debated periods in American history? Today we are taking a deep look at two presidential dollar coins that many people overlook, yet collectors still search for. Let's start with the first coin. Look. The first coin features George Washington, the first president of the United States and one of the most respected leaders in American history. This coin was released in 2007. It was the very first coin issued under the presidential $1 coin program. The idea behind this program was simple: honor every deceased president in the order they served. That means Washington had to come first. When you look closely at the front of the coin, you see a detailed portrait of Washington. His expression is calm and serious. Around the top edge, you see his name clearly engraved. Below the portrait, it reads First President, along with the years he served, 1789 to 1797. Now turn the coin to the back. Every presidential dollar features the Statue of Liberty on the reverse. This design symbolizes freedom and unity. It also connects every coin in the series together. But here is what made this coin truly unique when it was first released. The date and national mottos were not placed on the front or back like traditional coins. Instead, they were engraved on the edge of the coin. That small detail created one of the biggest modern coin errors in U.S. history. Shortly after release, collectors discovered that some Washington dollars were missing edge lettering completely. No date, no mint mark, no in God we trust. No, e pluribus unum, completely blank edges. These coins quickly became famous. The media even gave them a nickname, the Godless Dollar. At the peak of excitement, some of these error coins sold for hundreds and even thousands of dollars. Today, values depend on condition. A regular circulated Washington dollar is usually worth face value, $1. In bright, uncirculated condition, it may sell for $2 to $4. Proof versions minted in San Francisco can bring more, especially if graded highly. However, an authenticated missing edge lettering error can still be worth a strong premium. The cleaner the coin and the better the grade, the higher the price. It is important to understand something. The golden color does not mean the coin is made of gold. Many people make that mistake. The coin has a copper core with a manganese brass outer layer that gives it a gold-like shine, but no precious metal value. Millions of Washington dollars were minted in Philadelphia and Denver. Because of those high mint numbers, normal examples are very common today. That is why condition matters so much. Collectors look for coins with strong luster, no scratches, no rim damage, clear edge lettering, no discoloration. If you find one in near perfect condition, it could be worth sending for professional grading. Beyond value, this coin carries strong historical meaning. Washington was not just a president. He was the commander of the Continental Army during the American Revolution. He set many traditions for future presidents. His image on the first coin of this series was symbolic. It represented the foundation of the country itself. Now let's move to the second coin. The second coin features Millard Fillmore, the 13th president of the United States. Unlike Washington, Fillmore is not widely remembered today. Many people struggle to recall his presidency, but his time in office came during a tense and divided period in American history. Fillmore became president in 1850 after the death of President Zachary Taylor. His presidency was heavily connected to the Compromise of 1850, a major political agreement aimed at reducing tensions between free states and slave states. His presidential dollar coin was released in 2010 as part of the same series. On the front, you see his portrait with his name clearly engraved along the top. Below, it reads 13th President, along with his years in office, 1850 to 1853. The reverse again features the Statue of Liberty, keeping the design consistent across the series. Just like the Washington dollar, the Fillmore coin has edge lettering. The year of minting, mint mark, and national mottos are engraved on the edge. Now let's talk about value. The Millard Fillmore presidential dollar is also common. Large numbers were produced in Philadelphia and Denver. In circulated condition, it is generally worth $1. Uncirculated examples may sell for $2 to $3. Proof versions from the San Francisco Mint can carry a premium, especially in perfect condition. High-grade coins graded MS-67 or higher may bring stronger prices from collectors building complete presidential dollar sets. Unlike the Washington coin, Fillmore dollars are not known for a famous major error that shocked the market. That means most examples remain close to face value. However, collectors completing the full presidential series must include this coin. That steady collector demand gives it lasting importance. When checking a Fillmore dollar, examine the quality of the strike, the clarity of facial details, the smoothness of the fields, the condition of the edge lettering. Small differences in condition can mean the difference between a $1 coin and a collectible piece. Final comparison. So what makes these two coins interesting together? One represents the beginning of American leadership. The other represents a complex and challenging time in U.S. history. One sparked national headlines because of a mint error. The other quietly completed its role in a long-running presidential series. Neither coin is extremely rare in normal condition, but both are part of a larger historical story. The presidential dollar coin program ran from 2007 to 2016. It honored deceased presidents in the order they served. While many coins in the series are common, certain errors and high-grade examples continue to attract collectors. Before you assume a golden dollar is rare, take a closer look. Check the edge. Check the condition. Look for unusual details. Sometimes the real value is not just in money. It is in the history each coin carries. And you never know, that simple $1 coin sitting in your drawer might have a story worth telling.